Hi everybody, this is Willy Lin from Wa Academy. Right, so today I'll talk about generating product ideas and how to do it the right way. So are you starting out your business on Amazon, fretting over what kind of products you should sell to build a lasting business instead of one that will just phase out? So not to worry, I'm here to provide you with some directions on finding the correct products to sell on Amazon. So as a general rule of thumb, I would advise you to hold on to the below principle when generating your product ideas. So number one, follow your passion. Cliche as it may sound, I strongly recommend selling a product that you're passionate about. This is because of the following reasons. You will know what you like the best. You know what you will hate to see in this category of products. You will be able to empathize with your target audience and know what they want. So by selling products that you have some levels of personal interest, you will find that you can talk about your products and the necessary improvement your products should have will come along to you naturally. Other than that, you'll be passionate during the promoting process. Any business owner will tell you that this is a big plus when doing business. So what are you waiting for? Start thinking hard and list out your interests and hobbies to generate your ideas now. So we believe that being passionate can give you a hefty boost, but the sad truth is that it can only get you that far. Hence, the next best thing to do after recognizing your own passion is to depend on systematic research or brainstorm processes to help sustain and maintain an evergreen business. Below is one of our favorite research methods. Rely on your industry knowledge, personal experiences. I like this old adage, fight no battle unprepared. What this translates to is relying on your own industry knowledge and experience when doing a startup on Amazon. Perhaps you have worked in the electronic industry for more than 20 years, and I'll advise you to start off by choosing an electronic product on Amazon to sell. This is because it's crucial to be able to answer customer questions and queries on your product confidently. Other than that, think back to your personal responsibilities. Say that you may not have experience with selling children's toys, but you are a loving parent of 3 kids. So tell me, what are the things that your kids like the most? If you find yourself rattling on non-stop, that's it. This is already what I call understanding consumer demands, which is a crucial step when generating product ideas. Now that we know the rationales for generating product ideas, following your passions, and relying on your experience, let's get into the specifics on how to do so. Here's a step-by-step guide for your brainstorming process. So take out a notepad and list down your hobbies, interests, or responsibilities. Write it down and recognize your own passion, best experiences. Think back to the products that you have worked on or came across before. List them down on your list and match them with the ideas you get in point 1. So over time, gather a short list of at least 10 product ideas in that list. Look at each product and list down possible improvement, maybe adding on any special features that you think will be great for them. Research existing products, consumer demand, and selling prices for those products online, especially on Amazon. Is there space for one more seller? If there's no evidence of consumer demand, but you still think you can sell it, especially after making your unique improvement on this product, then follow your gut feeling. Move on to the next product in your list of ideas. The more you research and think about products, the more new ideas you will have. Keep writing down your ideas, update your shortlist, and research the products on it. Work on this regularly, and over time you'll find your product niche to develop on. One problem a lot of new business owners on Amazon run into is that they have no idea what products to sell. Then some experienced Amazon sellers will come along and tell you, just do some research, things will turn out fine. And you follow their advice, and the next thing you know, you ended up with too much information and you still can't decide what product you want to sell. So right now, I'm going to give you a few reliable places that you can look around when you're on your brainstorming process. Number one, Amazon bestseller list. Yes, you're seeing it correct. So do a search on Amazon itself to find product ideas to focus on. In case you don't know before, Amazon has several bestseller lists which you can look into. You'll get a general idea of what successful sellers on Amazon is selling and catch some hints of emerging and trending markets such as drone racing, augmented reality, or any other industries. You can even toggle the option to find bestseller lists in different countries that you're selling your products to, so you can narrow down your product niches more effectively. So number two, Gadget blogs and trend sites. So another idea to look around on interesting blogs and trend website like Pinterest. So this website normally have collections of the best and most in-trend products in many categories. You can subscribe to their mail list and get weekly updates on trendy items that may not be on Amazon. Just imagine, with just one simple click, fresh ideas are delivered for free to your email address. So number three, research tools and website. Below are two of our favorite research tools and websites that we are using to brainstorm our products. Number one, Jungle Scout and Google Trend. So Jungle Scout is a paid website which can extract sales rank, sales volume, FBA fees, categories, and more. It's a paid tool. It's now available in almost all countries where Amazon is present. Though it's a paid tool, it's probably the most advanced when it comes to researching Amazon and finding products with great potential. On the other hand, Google Trends is great for researching design trends and therefore can help you with a rough idea of the most popular and trendy items currently. You can then decide which of the items you want to bring to your Amazon store. Number four, sourcing sites. You can also look to sourcing sites like Alibaba and global sources for your product idea. So these websites are very popular for finding manufacturers and suppliers, but they can also be used to inform you about the new and trending product niches. Simply type newest products in the search box and you will find a lot of the newest and trendiest items from their suppliers. So get out there in the world. Number five, do get out there in the world to see what are the most sought after products. Any Amazon sellers will tell you if you want a realistic sensing of what the market really needs, you cannot just sit behind a computer screen whole day. Below are the three places that we suggest that you can start off. Number one, trade shows. So there's dozens of trade shows in many countries. During trade shows, you can get to meet the suppliers, see the products, and talk over the details such as prices, models, and much more. So I guarantee you definitely get inspired with new product ideas at trade shows. So just Google an exhibition center near you, browse their upcoming events, and look out for any trade shows. Register for a ticket and get started. So shopping malls, number two. Another way to find new products is simply when you're out in a shopping mall or at a local store. To start your own import business means that you are also working out when you're shopping with friends or family. Keep your eyes open, and when you see something cool, make a reminder for yourself to look for the product later on. Number three, traveling. Traveling is also a great way to find ideas. When you're out of your country or state, you're likely to see items that you can't find locally. It's always worth checking such ideas out, and even an idea at first seems like nothing can be worth millions. Discuss with a few friends and brainstorm what you can do with it, and who knows, it may become a great hit when you bring these products to your local markets or other places which haven't seen this product yet. Alright, so that's it. I'll see you in the next video.